Hey everyone, and welcome. If you're a fan of looking up at the night sky, you are in for an absolute treat this month. We're going to break down everything you need to know for an amazing October of stargazing, from supermoons all the way to meteor showers. So let's get right into it.
So first things first, why all the hype about October? I mean, what makes it so special? Well, it's not just another month. It's arguably one of the best times of the entire year to get outside and look up, and there are a few really good reasons why.
Here's the deal. The nights are getting longer, which, simply gives us more dark hours to see everything. But the real game changer is the air itself. That cooler, crisp autumn air means there's less atmospheric haze. For us on the ground, that translates to stars and planets that look sharper, clearer, more brilliant. It's like the universe just got a 4K upgrade.
Now let's get to the headliners. Every month has its highlights, for sure, but October 2025 is bringing some serious showstoppers to the celestial stage. Kicking things off on October 7th is the full super harvest moon. And yeah, that word super is key. It means the moon is near perigee, its closest point to Earth in its orbit. So it's going to look noticeably bigger and brighter than your average full moon. It is a fantastic photo opportunity for sure. As beautiful as that moon is going to be, the one event you absolutely cannot miss this month is the Orionid meteor shower. Seriously, if you've ever wanted to see a shooting star, this is your moment. At its peak, on the night of October 20th into the 21st, you can expect to see somewhere around 15 to 20 meteors an hour, provided you're under dark skies. And get this, these meteors are actually tiny bits of debris left behind by Halley's Comet. They're known for being super fast and for leaving these glowing trails in their wake. It's a truly spectacular sight. So, what makes 2025 so special for the Orionids? Well, it's all about timing. The shower's peak happens right around the new moon. What does that mean? It means no bright moonlight washing out the sky, giving us these perfectly dark conditions to see even the fainter meteors. It's the ideal setup, and believe me, it definitely doesn't happen every year. All right, meteors are amazing, but they're over in a flash. Let's move on to the reliable stars of the show, the planets. They'll be gracing our skies all month long. Your primetime target for most of the evening is going to be Saturn. It'll be glowing steadily in the constellation Aquarius pretty much all night long. And here's a pro tip. Even a small basic telescope will be enough to reveal its iconic rings. It is a sight that never ever gets old. If you're an early riser, your reward is Jupiter. It will be the brightest object in the pre-dawn sky, hands down. And you'll see it climbing higher and higher each morning as the month goes on. You absolutely cannot miss it. And for those of you who like a bit of a challenge, the elusive planet Mercury is making an appearance. It's usually kind of hidden in the sun's glare, but late in the month, especially around October 29th, you'll have a great chance to spot it low in the west right after sunset. Now that we've covered the main events and the planets, let's push a little further out, shall we? For those with binoculars or a small telescope, October offers a fantastic chance to hunt for some true deep sky treasures.
And we're not just talking about stars. We're talking about entire galaxies here. The Andromeda Galaxy, our closest major galactic neighbor, is actually visible with binoculars as a faint fuzzy patch of light. You can also spot the beautiful double cluster in Perseus. The key for seeing these amazing objects is to aim for the darkest nights, so your best window of opportunity is going to be right around the new moon on October 21st.
Okay, so we know what to see. But how do you actually do it? This next section is your practical field guide to making the most of October's night sky. Let's walk through the key dates one more time so you can mark them on your calendar. On the 7th, we've got the big, bright supermoon. On the 13th, look for a beautiful pairing of the moon and Jupiter. The 20th and 21st, that's prime time, the peak nights for the Orionid meteor shower. And on the 29th, that's your best chance to spot Mercury as it reaches its greatest distance from the sun in our evening sky.
And here are 3 simple rules for a great night out. 1. Dress warmly. It gets colder than you think when you're just standing still. 2. Get away from city lights. The darker your location, the more you will see, period. And 3, and this is maybe the most important one, give your eyes at least 20 minutes to fully adapt to the darkness. That means no peeking at your phone.
So, to bring it all together, here is your at-a-glance cheat sheet for the entire month. You can see the best times to watch for everything we've talked about, from the supermoon all night on the 7th to the Orionids after midnight on the 20th. This is your ultimate takeaway, a simple guide to plan your adventures under the stars this October. So there you have it.
We've covered a supermoon, a spectacular meteor shower, bright planets, and even distant galaxies. The sky is really putting on a show this month, and you have a front row seat. The only question left is, with a universe of wonders waiting right above you, where will you look first?